हाय एवरीवन वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो यही वीडियो में आपण सहित लिबराल डेमोक्रेसी साइलेंट फीचर्स नोट्स को शेयर करछि। मैं पूर्व लिबराल डेमोक्रेसी मीनिंग प्रिंसिपल्स मेकानिज्म ऑफ लिबराल डेमोक्रेसी पर वीडियो बना सारी। आ पूर्व पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी आउ इंडियन पॉलिटी जो आम रही फास्ट सेमेस्टर तार वीडियो बना सारी। और मो चैनल रे आपण मानक हिस्ट्री जे सहित इविएस नोट्स मिल जदि आपण मैंने इंटरेस्ट अच्छा तो चैनल को जाई देखिपारे। तो आज एबे जो नोट शेयर करछि लिबरल डेमोक्रेसी साइलेंट फीचर्स। ए लिबरल डेमोक्रेसी इज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय द फॉलोइंग साइलेंट फीचर्स। जो साइलेंट फीचर रही कैरेक्टराइज्ड है कौन लिबरल डेमोक्रेसी फास्ट कौन हम रिप्रेजेंटेटिव गवर्नमेंट। तो इन ए लिबरल डेमोक्रेसी द गवर्नमेंट इज द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द पीपल। इट इज इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल। द मेंबर्स ऑफ द लेजिस्लेचर आर इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल फॉर ए फिक्स्ड टर्म. The right to vote is available to all without any discrimination of the basic caste, color, creed, place of birth, religion, sex and property, except for a minimum age qualification. There are no rigid and formal qualification for getting the right to vote. Election of representatives by the people is secret, uncovered and uncorrupt. Government represents the people and has to continuously prove its representativeness. It has to maintain and periodically prove its popularity. People can change their government through the elections. Next point, that is civil liberties. So what is civil liberties? In a liberal democracy, the people have the right to freely express their views. They have the right to freedom of speech and expression, freedom of press and other means of mass media is ensured. People have the right to form voluntary association and through them to propose their interest. The constitution of a liberal democratic state grants and guarantees civil liberties of the people. Third point is defined and specific role of the executive. In a liberal democracy, the role of the executive is defined and limited. The policy formulation and the permanent executive implements the decision and policies of the government. The political executive is formed by representatives of the people and is continuously responsive to public opinion. It supervises the function of the civil service. The fourth point is limited government. So what is limited government? Liberal democracy involves the concept of a limited government. The government exercises only those powers are granted to it by the constitution. The manner in which power are to be exercised by the governmental institution is also specified and defined. Government is not allowed to exercise its power arbitrarily. The government is accountable to the people for all its action. It holds office for a fixed tenure, after which it has to seek a fresh mandate from the people. The fifth point was social and economic checks and balance. So what is social and economic check and balance? In a liberal democracy, there are several social and economic checks and balance on the activities of government. It is characterized by active existence and activities of a large number of social and economic association interest groups of the people, which enjoy a large amount of the autonomy. In a liberal democracy, economic decisions are not taken by the government alone. The interest groups play a vital role in this. The duty of the government is to harmonize and coordinate social and economic relations and to impose and coerce only in the last resort. The sixth point was political checks and balances. Mass political participation of the people is a hallmark of liberal democracy. All shades of public opinion are involved in the political processes. The three organs of government are held by different hands and Weber united the control of same men or body of men. The division of powers between three organs of government acts as an internal block and prevents the government from becoming autocratic. The conclusion: besides these six characteristics of liberal democracy, we can add his several other: independence of judiciary, separation of power, elegant citizenship, judiciary review, and rule of law. तो ये लिबरल डेमोक्रेसी साइलेंट फीचर्स। तो थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ वाचिंग दिस वीडियो।